nightmare coming true for a mother in South Jersey after her daughter disappears from a park.
And police have now issued an Amber Alert for 5-year-old Dulce Maria Alves. Authorities say she was lured away while playing in Bridgeton on Monday afternoon. Eyewitness News reporter Jen Carabeo has been following this developing story. She joins us live this morning near the park with an update as well as a description of the suspect police are searching for. Jan.
Jim and Janelle, good morning. Police tell Eyewitness News that this Amber Alert was issued yesterday late in the evening after investigators interviewed and re-interviewed a number of people who were out here at this Bridgeton park on Monday afternoon around the time that this child disappeared. And now they do believe the little girl was abducted, taken by a man in a red van. We do have a description of that suspect. But first, Eyewitness News was also able to speak with this child's mother, who is pleading for her daughter's safe return. Take a listen.
I just want to find her. I want to find her that she's okay. Nothing bad's happened to her.
Yeah, she wants to see her 5-year-old child, Dulce Maria Alves, home safe. Police have released this description of the man they believe took the child. Police say he is light-skinned, possibly Hispanic, standing 5'6" to 5'8" with a thin build. He has acne, but no facial hair. Police say he was last seen wearing orange sneakers, red pants, and a black shirt, and driving a red van with a sliding door and tinted windows. Police have reason to believe the suspect abducted the little girl just before 5 o'clock Monday afternoon. Check this out. Now, this is a surveillance photo of the child, possibly the last image of her taken at a store just before the abduction. She still may be wearing these very same clothes. Police say Dulce was playing at the Bridgeton City Park with her 3-year-old brother Monday afternoon. Investigators say the suspect lured Dulce away from the playground and into his red van. They say Dulce was seated in the back seat and then driven away. Her disappearance, of course, has sparked an all-out search 2 days and 2 nights, and now into the 3rd day. This community is doing its part to help too.
If anyone knows where this child is, please say something. Please say something, because this is devastating.
Take a look at her photo and the description of the suspect. Once again, he is described as light-skinned, possibly Hispanic, 5'6" to 5'8" in height. He has acne, but no facial hair. And police say he was last seen wearing orange sneakers, red pants, and a black shirt, driving a red van, sliding door, tinted windows. Anyone who has seen this little girl or that man needs to call 911 immediately. Of course, an Amber Alert out for this morning. We're reporting live in Bridgeton. Jan Carabeo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News. Jim and Janelle, back into you.
Heartbreaking. Let's hope they find.